Okay, yeah, fuck, I can't wait to eat this shit any longer. So I thought I was just gonna save the Skittles and start eating this. To put the delivery package thing on the Skittles. On the Skittles this time. Pot stickers. Iconic red bag. Sweet. They call it sweet and sour sauce. And blue cheese. Mukbang! What the fuck are they? Mac and cheese bites. Fucking delicious. I feel like when you nowadays for fast food, me and this chick were talking about it that I work with at the bar. We were like, bro, fast food is like ass nowadays, like service. But I feel like if you order, you know what I mean? Like if you order like a little bit, like not a whole lot, they finesse your shit because they're like, all right, he's only getting this. Like that's what I do personally. Don't boo me. Don't boo me. I don't give a fuck. I was watching Cine stream, and I was like, nah, fuck that. I gotta stream. I fuck with homegirl like. Streamers done blew up. For real. That ass. I knew this was the right fucking sauce. I never had it before. But I had sweet and sour. Right, yeah, sweet and sour, obviously, because I'm not 8. So, there we go. What's been new? I feel like I have to look in my journal, bro, to like see what the fuck's been new. I just don't know off the top because ADHD be kicking crazy and then I just don't be giving a fuck at the same time. For real. Can't explain the things that's happening right now. This shit is so good. This shit is so good. I ain't even typed out my password yet, for real. Wait. What the fuck is my password? Yo, the car just pops up. Looks crazy on the screen. It's like my new obsession. Let me try the mac and cheese bites on this sweet and sour sauce. The flavor of the mac and cheese bites saved it itself, but nah, it's not right now. Blueberry white tea with natural flavors. No? This is the main fucking course right here, bro. You gotta do a pre. Gotta do a pre-shake. That's delicious. That's delicious. This is an Arizona blueberry white tea. I know you know about it. Bussin'. Trying out a pot stick. These shits go crazy in the sweet sour sauce. The website I'm looking at with this car says that it's sold. Mind you, Honda 2005 Civic LX. Nighthawk Black Pearl. I say it enough fucking times. Oh shit. Okay, I'm bad. The timer right there, I ain't even flip the shit. That's how I just need to stream, bro. For real. But you already know what the fuck I'm about to look up. That good old Free Rider 2. I swear this should be jogging my like brain and shit. I might bring Blot back this year. I don't know. Blot's my blog. Oh, I don't ever plug shit anymore. Yeah, it's all in the YouTube vids. So if I just like plug the YouTube, I don't know. My YouTube is like R7XT. You know. No, I think I changed it. I changed it to Row. It's Row something, but it's like Row T7R. I don't know, bro. So I gotta go in there, like, make it something official so I can just remember it and say it. That's what, like, all this shit. For real, for real. Yo, if I didn't razor cut my fucking nails all the way down, my fingernails would be dirty as fuck right now. For real. Not even from just this, just random shit. Random shit. Let's see what's fucking with this map. Yo, what? That's kind of crazy. Everybody talks about, like, well, Twitch is like kind of like a gaming thing. So I'm like, is it odd that I'm playing Free Rider 2 while I'm just talking? It's like, no, that's literally. How you having open thoughts? There's a funny Marco. He should have fucking. Twitch is just open thoughts. Or streaming. But you can't see the fucking game though, so it's like. This. Let's do this. Well, you still can. That's OD work though. Let me eat another one of these. Get some energy. Oh shit, bro. That's OD though. I guess I could just show you when it's a crazy ass map. Hold up, hold up. Oh, I also have been reading Holmes too. Holmes and Watson are about to investigate some lodge or whatever. But I just came from reading this. Bro, this was like a thrilling like case, and it didn't even involve Holmes at all. It was some other detective. So crazy. So crazy. I think McMurphy or something. Something like that. Yeah, anyway. Fuck. Damn, what the fuck, bro? There's no way you're even gonna be able to see this while I'm playing. So, just Guess just elevated it for myself. Better lighting on my face, you know? I'm just gonna show you if it's a crazy map. This one, however, sucks. Random. I hate maps like this. So stupid. Why do I have to press Z? I hate maps I have to press Z. Just let me play the fucking game. God damn it. That map sucks. Let's see. Some promise. Some promise. No, actually, it sucks. Wait. Wait, no, you have to drop in. Alright, so nope. It's designed to fail. Dumbest. How are you supposed to do that? Why are these all ass? For real. Maybe you can't play Free Rider 2. Can't play Free Rider 2.